Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The most futuristic budget king phone, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, is already in development, and smartphone characteristics are being named. Less than 7 months after the launch of the Samsung Galaxy A56, the details of its successor, the Galaxy A57, began to appear online. The source for these details was the Dutch publication Galaxy Club, which published smartphone characteristics and launching details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The big giant company Samsung is working on a sequel to the Galaxy series, and the fresh details about it are already leaking. The new upcoming Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37 are probably a bit more advanced than their predecessors. The latest speculation confirms that Samsung will save money again, especially in terms of cameras. News source Galaxy Club has published unconfirmed information that in the next generation, Samsung will again use the good old classic, the main 50-megapixel shooter. There is hope that Samsung will at least slightly adjust the camera parameters or improve them, but this is unlikely. If this happened, the new Galaxy A series would be unpleasantly competing with its fan edition Galaxy S25 FE, which it definitely does not want. The Galaxy A57 will receive a high-performance Exynos 1680 chip. The Galaxy A56 was unveiled in March of this year, but Samsung is already working on its successor. The Galaxy A57 has passed benchmark tests, revealing information about its key specifications. According to the listing, the Galaxy A57 is powered by an Exynos 1680 chip, a high-performance chip with advanced Samsung X Clips 550 graphics. Otherwise, the Galaxy A57 isn't expected to differ significantly from its predecessor. The smartphone will feature a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, a sub-flagship 50-megapixel camera, a 5000 mAh battery, and support for 45W fast charging speed. It is to be claimed that, next year, Samsung will use almost the same hardware components at first glance, but all components will be more energy efficient and faster than their predecessors. It is expected that the new Samsung Galaxy A series will launch in March next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.